She's carrying them high, definitely. And the bull terriers tend to do that. Very clear images. Well, that's much better than we've had in the vets, to be honest.
The thing is as well, vets are not trained.
Yeah.
Obviously they're trained to do scans, but not on pregnant bitches.
See, our main concern was that there's more than one puppy.
Oh, definitely more.
Yeah.
Don't like them one puppy litters.
No.
There's quite a few there, I can
There
see.
is,
Yeah.
So we're looking at 6, maybe more.
I would say definitely more. I don't like to give a number because
I don't expect you to. But expect more than...
Oh God, yeah, definitely.
4.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's good.
There's
That's
2
great.
just there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see them, yeah.
That's brilliant.
Crystal clear image.
Oh, we got the day right this time. We went too late last time. We went on day 18 and we knew we'd gone too late.
Day 18?
Yeah. I know. It's day 12.
She's still running around like a lunatic.
Yeah, well, I've got a bitch that's due any day now.
Yeah.
And she's running around like a loony. Still at eating.
That is great because it really does make a difference.
Yeah.
I think, you know, all this resting up. I've spent 20 years researching bed rest. It's not a good thing. So resting your dog up, fallacy. Keep your dog active.
Oi. They tell you when they've had enough.
Yeah. That's really good. Well, I think we're done.